So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. I hope you guys are doing great, and let me introduce myself. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing fine, everything is going fine on your side, and of course, like always, you guys are ready to learn a new strategy. So before we start the session guys, just a quick information that comment section is already open for you guys. So if you will be having any doubt, any question, feel free to write me over there. And apart from that, please confirm me guys one thing, that if my audio and my video is completely clear, because if anything is required to be fixed, so I'll take care of that one and then we will proceed the session. We will hardly wait for next 2 minutes. Until that time, you can ask your dear ones, your friends to join the session, so we can connect with as many people we can and we can help them in their trading concern. If I'll talk about the channel, so guys, this is the official channel of Olymptrade. So every Wednesday and Friday we are conducting live sessions 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So every now and then, whenever we will be coming live, so you will get a notification for the same, and you will be able to connect with us, so we can help you with your trading concerns. And as I have mentioned, for Wednesday and Friday, so we are conducting one special session on Monday also, that is from 6:30 to 7 p.m. only. That is a half an hour window, but that is basically completely focused on the market news. So make sure you do not miss that also, because a lot of information which is quite useful, which can help you to make some good profits on the platform, that is available there. So make sure you watch those sessions also, you join them. And guys, please confirm in the comment section if audio video is clear, so I can just kick off the session, because I don't want to keep it dicey that there is something which need to be fixed or something like that. So please just confirm me, even though, let me check on my device also. Okay, so if I'll check on my device, everything is working streamlined, everything is working fine, but still guys, I'll wait for your confirmation, and just hardly 1 more minute wait, and then we will just kick off the session. The name of the strategy you might have already checked in the description. The name of the strategy is Millennium. How to apply it manually? Sami Singh ji, thank you so much for your confirmation. So I am relieved now, so of course I'll be taking the session to the further level. Yeah, so guys, what I was talking about, so as the name of the strategy is already visible, Millennium, so we will be talking about how you can apply it manually, automatically. Apart from that, how to use that strategy, which things you need to focus on, and along with that, there are some couple of things like money management, risk management, goal setting, trading psychology, where most of the traders are struggling with. So of course I'll try to cover those points also, but in the meantime, if any doubt is there or you want to ask something, comment section is for you guys. And the screen which is visible to you, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So nothing to worry about that thing, that sir, that button is not visible, or that, something is not available to me. Everything is available to each one of you. Just the location of the button can be here and there, but everything is available. So let's kick off the session guys, without wasting any time. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert from Olymptrade. Olymptrade is used to conduct live sessions where we are trying to help our traders. So make sure you subscribe the channel and be part of these sessions. So if I talk about the strategy, how to apply it, so guys, you can see that there is a tower, 3 buttons. The last button with the name of technical analysis, it's like alphabet A. So the same button, those who are using the mobile application, that is going to be available somewhere on the top. On the top you will be able to see your account balance, then your asset name, and just write to your asset. The same button is going to be there. Just click on this one, a new window is going to open up. Just click on the strategy, scroll a bit down, and here we go. These 2 lines, these 2 green lines are stating that this is a advanced level strategy. The name of the strategy is there and the mode on which you can use. So it can be used only on FTT, like there are some strategy where you can see a FX button also, so that can be used for Forex as well, but this is the one which is only for the FTT mode, fixed timing trading mode. Guys, you can see the chart. So once I'll click and apply the strategy, you will see some differences. Once I'll click on the strategy, so there is going to be a small introduction video. No need to spend on time on that one. Right now I am here, so of course I'll be guiding you with that. If I'll talk about the description, Millennium is an interesting trend strategy that uses the DPO, the trended price oscillator, and high Kanashi. One oscillator we are going to use, which is DPO, the trending price oscillator. Once I'll click on the strategy, enable the strategy, here we go. So guys, you might have noticed that the formation of candle has been changed. Earlier I have applied Japanese, but now there is a new candle which we call high Kanashi. The best part of high Kanashi candle, or the beauty of the high Kanashi candle, is with the color of their candle, they are also giving you an indication that what can be the trend in the market. That is the best part. That is the beauty of these high Kanashi candles. And guys, one more thing, as we have already discussed, I have already shown you that this is an advanced level strategy, but in case if you are on starter level and that strategy is not available for you, no need to buy that strategy, guys. I am repeating myself, do not buy the strategy, do not spend anything. If you want to learn how to apply this manually, you can drop me a message, you can just drop in the comment section, I'll just tell you. It's very easy and you can use it free of cost. Now, how to use this strategy? As I have first information I have already shared, that the beauty of these high Kanashi candle is also indicating the trend of the market. If the red candles are there, of course market can go into the downward side, they are indicating that thing. If the green candles are there, then they will be indicating that market can prevail into the upward direction. But before using any strategies, guys, a small piece of information. See what these strategies are. These all are some mathematically calculation based technical tools, which are those are analyzing couple of previous candles, and they are giving you the information that can happen in the market in the coming candles. So it's just a mathematical calculation. There are no such strategies which are going to offer you or which are going to give you 100% accuracy. So consider that part also, guys. While using any strategy, you should be focused on your technical tools, your strategies, market news, of course, but apart from that, you should also focus on your money management and risk management. Okay. So let's talk about that, how to get the confirmation from the strategy. So first confirmation we will be getting with the help of the color of the high Kanashi candle. Second confirmation we will be getting from this oscillator. This one we call DPO. So if you see, there is a base level, 0 level in the DPO, and you can see that there are some tower or there are some bars. Sometimes these are on the top of this base level, sometimes they are below this level, or on the upper side or the downward side. So whenever these DPO bars or these DPO lines, these are on the top of the base level, so they will be stating that market can go into the upward direction. And at the same time, if you are getting the confirmation from the high Kanashi candle also with the help of their color, so then you can open a window, you can open a trade position. So it's very simple. Red color DPO below the 0 line, downward trade. Green candle DPO on the top of the 0 line, up trade. Very easy to use, guys. So far, if you have any doubt, any question, feel free to drop in the comment section. I can see that there are no such comments. So guys, please make it interactive. Let's talk about that, because see, this is a place where you can talk about and we can help you with your trading concerns. So make use of it, try to get full out of it, because for next 30-35 minutes I am still available. So if you have any doubt, you can drop me anything, how to apply this strategy manually if you want to learn, or if anything is there in your mind, or if you have used this strategy in the past but you were not able to make some good results, let me know. In case if you used it and this is one of your favorite strategy, share your experience. So we will talk about that one, and we will try to learn a couple of new things which will help you to improve your trading results. Okay, so guys, let's make it interactive. Let's make some noise. Let me know like from where you have joined, or what is your trading experience, what is your trading status on the platform, so we can talk about as per that. Okay, so let's make it interactive. Okay, so all you just need to focus on the color of the candles and that position of the DPO. Then apart from that, there are a couple of more things you should take care. First one, always trade in a trending market. Guys, see, like market is going downward, market is going upward, so this is something where you should trade. If you are trading in such scenarios when the DPO bars are very small and the market is two red, one green, couple of red, then two green, then do not trade on such trends, because as we know that trend is your friend. There is something like which we are used to say in the market. So trend is your friend, so always try to hold hand of your friend and then try to trade in the market. Okay, consider this thing. Okay, after that, one more there might be a question that what should be the trade time frame for this strategy. So guys, for this strategy the trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candles. I'm not stating minutes, I am stating candles. Why? Because see, if your chart time frame is 1 minute, so 2 to 3 candle will be 2 to 3 minute. But in case by default or by because of any reasons you have applied as a chart time frame of 10 minute, and then you will start taking trade for 2 minutes, that can lead to a negative result. So that is the reason that I am always talking about the time frame in the form of candles. So if the chart time frame is going to be 10 minutes, then of course the trade time frame will be as per that. Sandeep ji, hello, and I'm so sorry sir, today there are no such contests lined up, but guys, if you are you love to take part in these contests, just let us know. And one more request guys, make sure you ask your dear ones also to join the session. So if they will we will be having more crowds, of course we will try to come up with more interactive sessions and more so many things which will help you to increase your productivity also. And in the meantime, if any contest will be there, so we will try to come up with more questions, because you might remember that in the last session we conducted a contest and only 3 questions were there. So 3 traders were there, those who win $5 risk free trade each. So if more traders will be there, more viewers will be there, of course we will consider that thing also. But for now, no contest, but of course I am here to help you with your trading concerns. So of course, if profitability is there, then I don't think like sir you need some risk free trade or something like that. Okay, Rishabh ji want to know the time of Hindi session. Rishabh ji, we are also conducting Hindi session on the same channel, but the day is Tuesday and Thursday, and time is 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. All the previous session, those are also saved on the same channel. So just explore the playlist, explore the Hindi playlist. You will find all the previous record also, so you can explore them. Okay, so we were talking about the time frame of the trade. So that should be 2 to 3 candles. Now let's try to do some live trading. Let's try to do some live action. But before coming to that thing, guys, important information, make sure you make a note of that. First one, it's a financial market, guys. There is a possibility or there is a chance of partial or fully capital loss. So considering that thing, learn everything and then dive into the live market, because I am used to say earning is there, but only after learning. And it's not only about the trading, guys. Anything you are doing in your life, you have to learn it at least once. So considering that thing, also do not only invest money in the trading, invest your time also, because that is something which is going to help you to get good returns. Okay. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take during the session or I have taken in the past, everything is depending on my skill set. I am responsible for them. Okay, by mistake I took 2 trades and this trade went negative. Okay, so trade closed. We lost this trade with a very small amount, but small margin, but nothing to worry. No worries, we will try to recover it. Yeah, so everything is depending on my skill set, everything is depending on my practice. I am going to be the responsible one for that. And the last thing, guys, I am going to start live trading, but the telecast gap which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute, that can affect your copy trading, because if you will try to open the same position, so that is going to be visible after some time, and that can lead to a delay in the opening of the position. And that delay, because I am going to open a position at, just imagine, at 1 minute, and you will be opening the same position at 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes, so of course that can lead to a negative result. So please avoid copy trading, learn the strategy, practice it on demo, and after that you can use it as per your own. Okay, so consider these things, and let's start with the live action. Let's keep on shuffling our cards, keep on shuffling the different assets, and wherever we will be finding any signal, we will open a position, and then we will check how this strategy is working. And in the meantime, guys, if you will find any signal on any asset, you can drop me in the comment section. I'll be taking a trade on the same. Of course, I am not going to share my profit for that. I'm very bad in that. So I'm not going to share my profit, but at least, guys, you will understand one thing, that whether you are able to get a hold on strategy or not. Second thing, if you are getting a hold on the strategy, so of course you will come to a conclusion that how this strategy is going to work on for you. Because sometimes traders are stating, sir, we are taking trade on demo, that is going positive, but when we are trading on the live, that is going negative. So what I will do, your signal, my money, real money, and that will be used for the live trading. So then we will come to a conclusion that whether it is working fine or not. So I think that is fair enough. Okay, so let's start some quick live trading. So I will keep on use these Japanese candles. Sandeep ji, I am so sorry, but for this strategy, by default candle, we are supposed to use the Heiken-Aishi one. You can use the Japanese also, but the second confirmation which we are getting with the help of the colors, that we will not be getting. But if you want to apply Japanese, that is completely fine. If let me show you also, if you are applying the Japanese candle for the same, how that can be helpful also. So see, in a Japanese candle, there is a benefit that you can draw the support and resistance level. So when I was talking about that, there are a couple of things you should take care. So there was only one thing, that you should always trade in trending market. But if you are using Japanese candle, then there are two more things you should focus on. First, the formation of candle. Bigger the body, smaller the wick, better the candle, or the better the trend can be. So like if the green candles are there, like if I would have opened a trade on this candle or on this candle, so I can see that the length of the body is bigger than the wick, and the price was trying to go into the downward side, but there was a rejection, so market that candle closed somewhere in this level. So that is indicating that market can still prevail into the upward direction, and it happened. On the other side, here we can see that there was a price rejection from the top, so market is still moving into the downward direction. But if I check the body of this candle, so the body is very small and wick is very big, so that is indicating that market is trying to move in such a direction, but the potential or the volume or the strength of that specific trend is not that strong. So do not trust on such candles. So first the trending market, second the formation of the candle, and third of course price support and resistance, which we call price action. So if you want to use Japanese, you can use Japanese also, but by default the traders, those who have invented or formatted this strategy, they have used Heiken-Aishi. So you can use Heiken-Aishi also, Japanese also. With Japanese I have given you the benefits, with Heiken-Aishi also I have stated the same thing. Okay, so if everything is clear so far, guys, just give me a thumbs up in the comment section so I can just move forward. Let's see, and so far we have taken a couple of trades. Let's see what was the result of those trades. Okay, so far we were supposed to take 4 trades, but these 2 trades I have taken twice by mistake. So after that we have taken 3 more trades, all 3 trades were positive, so I don't think we need to check it. Just a quick overview we can get from here, that we won these trades with a very nice margin also. Okay, this one was quite risky, but still there was a positive results. Okay, let's try to grab a couple of more signals. Okay, let me change it to high Kanashi again. And guys, one more thing I would love to share with you. Once you will be having a hold on this strategy, you can do one more thing. You can do one experiment, or this is something which you can use. When you will find that the length of these DPO bars, these are on the maximum height. So these are indicating that the specific trend is on peak, or that is having a great volume, or that is having a great strength, and that can still proceed for a couple of more candles also. So what you can do is, you can open a trade on such candles again. So first trade you would have already opened at this level or this level, then second you can open at this or this candle also, because see, if I'll check just parallel to that, if I would have opened a position at this level, so of course that trade was supposed to go into the positive side. But again I am repeating myself, once you will be having a hold on the basic one, only after that try to grab this technique. First work with the basic, after that of course you will also come up with a new set of rules, because everyone whosoever is using anything, any strategy, any weapon, any car, any model, anything, they have their own style to use it. So of course in trading also that is going to be implemented. You might find something, some new finding, that at that specific level, or some on such formation of such candles, or on formation of such bars in DPO, there is something specific which is keep on repeating itself. So of course you can use that set also, but I am just giving you the information as per my experience, or whatever I have been using so far. Okay, so let's move to the live trading again. Okay, so I can see that there are no more comments. Guys, if any doubt is there, feel free to write me. I am still here. I'll be trying myself best to help you with your doubts. So make sure, take benefit of it, because whenever anyone from my team, any analyst is coming live, so we are coming live just to help you, just to talk to you guys. So if you have any doubt, anything guys, feel free to share. Okay, so let's see if we will be able to find any signals on any asset. In the beginning guys, always trade on the reversals of the trend. So first trade I will be taking on this trend, the second trade I will be taking on this trend, because I can see that the market got reversed. Once you will be having a hold on the strategy, then I will start taking trades on big DPO candles also, DPO bars. Okay, let's see. So this signal we missed. See, so there was a confirmation, and guys, this is a very nice situation. I would love to explain about that one. So see, if I talk about the color of the candle, so the red candle started from this part, but if I talk about the DPO confirmation, we got it somewhere after 2 to 3 candles. So always consider that thing also when you will be having confirmation from both the technical tools, both the thing. It's not about this strategy only, all the strategy, wherever you are using 2 or more than 2 things, always wait for the confirmation from both or all 3 technical tools which you have applied, and then open your position. So at this level, red candles were there, DPO bar below the base level, so that was the perfect time to open a trade, even though that can also lead to some negative results sometime if there is a market reversal, but the more confirmation, the better accuracy can be there. So consider that thing. Do not take trade on such scenarios that signal will be there, or that signal might be there, or it could be there, and I should open a position. Guys, understand one thing. Sometimes I am talking to traders, and then they are stating that, sir, I was thinking that market will prevail into the same direction, so I would have I already opened the position, and I was thinking that I will win with a bigger margin, like rather than winning a trade with 1 point, I will be winning with the 10 point or 15 points. Guys, understand one thing. In fixed time trading mode, if you are winning a trade with 1 point or 100 point, the profit is going to remain same. So why to trade on dicey situations, or on dicey signals, or on false signals? Better to wait for the confirmation and then open your position. And second thing, never ever try to catch a running train. What I mean to say, that never ever try to trade once the signal is already generated and you are late. Now if I'll talk about this scenario, these Heikenaishi candles stating the same thing, market can go into the upward direction. There was a downward trend, market is prevailing into the upward trend, so trend is there, but still I will not be taking trade. Why? Because the third candle formation is already in the pipeline, it's already being there. If I would have opened a trade, so I would have opened at this, on this candle, not on this. Or second scenario, if you have missed, but you can see that the DPO bar level is very big, it's very high, then you can open a position. But till that time, I am repeating myself, always focused on the basics, always trade on the basics of the strategy. Once you get a hold on that one, then you can implement your set of rules, and then you can try to grab couple of more things. Okay, let's see how our trade is going on. Okay, so this trade went positive. Okay, so this is the previous one. This trade seems to be going to the negative side. It's on the edge. There is okay, so we lose this trade with a very small margin. I have just opened with the help of this DPO bar. If I would have opened up a position a couple of seconds ago, of course that was supposed to go into the positive side, but there was a bit, that was a bit dicey. Or even though 7 o'clock is about to, it's about to 7 o'clock, so of course US market is about to open, so of course we can predict, or we can expect some fluctuation in the market, some sudden fluctuations in the market. So we will be taking care of that thing as well, and let's open a position in the downward direction. Let's see how market reacts. In case if anything happens, if this trade or the next trade will go negative, we will make some changes in the strategy. That is only going to be as per the time frame of the trade, nothing else. No, not any changes with the frequency of the strategy, only the time frame of the trade. As I have mentioned that the trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candles, so I'll make it from 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will try to find like if that is suitable for us or not. Okay, let me check if all the assets are open. And guys, I have opened a couple of assets, that is only based on the profitability, or sometime I'm considering some assets on the basis of market news. But it's not like that you can use this strategy only on such assets only. That can be applicable, that can be applied on anything, any asset, and you can use it in the same manner. The set of rule is going to be remain same, no need to change anything. Okay, so let me see if anything else is there. Guys, so far any comments, any doubts are there, please feel free to write down in the comment section. I can see that no such interaction from your side, so if you have any doubt, guys, feel free to write here. Nobody is going to judge. See, everybody whosoever joined, they need some help, or they might need want to learn something, so that is completely fine. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop it there. Okay, so if this candle formation will be on, let me see how the Japanese trend stating. Okay, so this candle completed. Let me open a trade with help of a risk-free trade. Okay, I was supposed to open this position at this level, but I am expecting that market will move into the upward direction. If the trade will go into the positive side, of course I will explain. Devendra ji, today we are talking about Millennium. We also talked about the same strategy yesterday, but in Hindi. So today I am creating the English speakers. So again we are repeating the same strategy, Millennium. So of course if you missed the yesterday's session, or anything was there, or any query was there, feel free to write me in the comment section. I'll be taking care of that one. Okay, and guys, as I can see that nobody responded that they want to learn about this strategy, that how they can apply it manually, but still let me clarify that how you can apply it. So all you just need DPO with the frequency of 10. So those who are going to watch this session in future as a recorded one, so if they are not aware that how to apply this manually, so this is basically for that. And then all you just need to click on this technical analysis button, technical tools, just type the trended price oscillator, click on this one. Guys, see, I have talked about the frequency, so that was 10, but by default that is coming with a 21. So just click on this one, click on this frequency, change it, and then make sure you click on these three dots and save the strategy. Once you will save the strategy, so you do not need to apply these things again and again, and you can apply the strategy from the saved one. So do not need to cross verify whether you have applied the same frequency or not. So that is going to help you a lot. Okay, I think we should make some changes in the time frame of the, okay, no worries, we have used the risk free trade, so nothing to worry about that one. Okay, so guys, I have made a change in the time frame of this trade. So let's see if that works well for us, because it's already 7. So how to know the fake signals? Devendra ji, is a very nice question. So as I have already talked about that, how to try to get those signals which are fake, like which can lead to a negative trade, or which we call false signals. So guys, whenever you are going to trade on in the market, all you just need to focus on the confirmation of these candles, that the color of these candles. Second thing, you should also focus on the trend in the market, whether there is a trending market or there is a market like a consolidation. Let me show you some examples. See, this is something which we call flat market, consolidation market. So never ever trade in the consolidation market, because that can lead to the negative results. Second confirmation we can get from that the consolidation is happening into the market with the help of these DPO. See, if you check, the length of these DPO bars is bigger as compared to these one. So these are very near to the base level. Second confirmation. Third confirmation, with the help of the formation of the candle. So you can see that very small body, very long wick, small body, long wick, small body, small wick. The wick is longer than the body. So these such type of these candles or these formation, these are more visible on the Japanese also. Let me show you on that also. So see, so this is a perfect example of consolidation. So never ever trade in the consolidation markets. Whenever you are going to trade, always try to grab a hold on a signal which is leading to a trending side. Okay, so we have opened a trade and this one. So as we can see that there was a downward trend. So now market is trying to change the trend. The DPO confirmation was there, the candle color is green. So I have opened a position. Let's see if that trade go into the positive side. I have made a change in the trade time frame. Now see, if any signal will be there, I'll not be opening a trade at least for a couple of candles. Why? There was a consolidation in the market. Second thing, guys, you can consider one more thing, that see, market is trading in three different time zones, three different trading sessions. First one is Asian. Clear this price action. Sir, Sandeep ji, do you want to learn about price action, that what is price action or support resistance? Please just confirm me, I'll talk about that one. Yeah, so market is trending in three different time zones. The first one is Asian, which is opening somewhere around 9 o'clock Indian Standard Time. The second one is European market around 3 p.m. The third one is US market around 7 p.m. So guys, what is the difference between these market, or like what difference they can create, or what I have observed? It's better on Japanese, then why Heiken Ashi? Devendra ji, the traders, those who have formatted this strategy, so they have implemented on Heiken Ashi. They have found better results on Heiken Ashi. You can use both of them, but by default the Heiken Ashi is there, and the beauty of the Heiken Ashi candle is with the help of the colors, that is also giving you the confirmation that in which direction market can prevail. So that is the reason that Heiken Ashi is there. But it's completely up to you. If you want to apply it on Japanese, you can use the Japanese also. Yeah, so I was talking about the different trading sessions. So sometime what you will find, that this is as per my observation. Of course, you might have some different conclusions or different outputs, but what I have found, that sometime the trade time frame or the strategy which you have implemented on the Asian time zone, that is working same in the European also, or vice versa. But sometime that Asian or European strategy is not giving you the same accuracy in the US market, or so you have to make some changes. It's not like that you will not be able to make profit in the US market. I have seen so many traders, those who are specifically trading in this specific time zone. So profits can be there, but sometime all you just need to make some amendments, and these amendments are not such big like you have to change frequency or you have to make some random calculation or any rocket science is there. All you just need to make some changes in the trade time frame. So what I have done, from 2 to I have switched to the 3 minutes. So let's see if my trades will start going positive side. I'll keep stick to the same one, otherwise I will change. I would have opened a trade at this level. Let's see. Okay, so guys, see, we have made a small change in the strategy. Let me show you. So our back to back 3 trades were negative. We changed the timing, and let me show you the trade here itself. So we have opened a position at this level in the upward direction. If we would have opened a position for the same for 2 minutes, there was a possibility that it can lead to a negative, because see, a small part was just below this. Or if I'll talk about the, see, so the opening point, the closing, let's talk about the closing, 1.28831. Even though that was supposed to go into positive, but still that was better to go with the precaution. Let's see how the third trade is going on. So that is still on dicey. I have opened this trade on the basis of this the formation of this bar. Let's see if the trade go positive. Let's look for the more learn this. Just a second. Sandeep ji, I am so sorry, but I am not getting your question. If you want, you can write in Hindi also, that is completely fine. Just tell me, like, do you want to know about the price action, support, resistance? Just let me know. Just say yes or no. I will understand. I will try to cover that one. Yeah, so we were talking about the market scenarios, like market is working in 3 different time zones. So as per that, sometimes you just need to make some changes, or I'll suggest that whenever you are trading, even though you should try to trade only in 2 sessions, and you should not keep on trading on throughout the day. Okay, I'm so sorry guys, there was some technical issue, so as a result we were not able to talk much. So let me repeat myself. So what I was talking about, yeah, so what I was talking about, so always try to get a hold on at least 2 sessions and try to cover, hit your goal in that specific time manner. But in case if you want to trade more than that, try to give yourself some breaks also, to avoid such a situation that you will start falling for some false signals, and that will lead to some negative results. Okay, so the last trade that went negative, let me show you. Okay. Okay, so if we would have opened a trade on this candle that was supposed to go into the positive side, no worries. Let's try to recover everything. We will open a big trade with $50 and with the help of the risk-free trade, because fluctuation is already there, US market is already open up, so we are finding that so much volatility is there, but we will try to recover it. But guys, one more thing I just missed to tell you guys. See, I am keep on opening trades back to back, because I have to show you that how this strategy is working. I have to show you examples, but there are no such compulsions on you guys. So whenever you are opening any position, wait for the result, check whether that was positive or negative, whether you need to work on your money management or risk management, whether you should increase the amount or decrease the amount, and then take the next trade. Do not open position back to back, wait for the result, make your mind, check what was the mistake which you have made, and then take your next trade. Because see, you will be able to make profit only when 2 conditions are in your favor, and both of them should be in your favor. First one, you should have a hold on market. So if volatility is there, take a break. If any data is there, take a break. If back to back trades are not going positive in a specific asset, switch the asset. First condition, hold should be there on the market. Second thing, funds should be there in your trading account. Guys, understand one thing. I have seen some traders, so sometimes when they are facing some negative results, so they start taking aggressive trades, and that is leading to some more aggressive, and like that is wiping out their complete portfolio. So considering that thing, try to hold your funds, because the longer you will be available in the market, the more chances or the more opportunities will be there to make profit. Available in the market mean to say that you have funds in your account and you can trade at any specific time, like in form of like if any data got circulated in the markets, you will be able to trade, or any signal is there, you are getting confirmation with the help of price action, with the help of strategy, technical tool, anything. So you will be able to trade only at one condition, when you will be having a amount in your account. Sandeep ji, you asked for the price action, so let me help you with that also. So it's very easy to use price action. What a price action means, so that is specifically based on support and resistance. So what is support and resistance? So if I'll just switch the candles to the Japanese, and I will show you that. Let me give you a better example. This is something which you can find in Fibonacci also, but let me help you with that one. So see, this is a level where market touched so many times and tried to cross over it, but market was not successful and market was moving downward. So this is a resistance level. So this one, this one, this one, again this one, this one. And if I talk about the support level, this can be considered as a nice support level. So what basically support level or resistance level is, when market is trying to move into the upward direction or in downward direction, wherever the market is touching the same level, same price and bouncing back, whether it's from the upward direction or downward, that is your support or resistance level. So see, market tried to cross over this level, was not able to succeed, move into the upward direction. Again tried to cross over and market succeed. So whenever you will find see that there was a crossover from the support or resistance level, then market will start running in this specific direction for a couple of candles. Let me show you the example. Market cross over this level, downward trend. Again market cross this level, tried to cross, was not successful. Again tried to close, not successful. Again tried to close, successful. Again downward trend. So this is how you can use your support and resistance level. Devendra ji, you asked the question very nice, but we are quite late. Let me just give you a small example that how this Fibonacci is going to help you. I'll not be taking much of your time. I'll just give you a quick and in case whenever we will be connecting next time, guys, if you want to know about the Fibonacci, just do let me know in the beginning. So what I will do, I will just try to spare some time, and then I will try to help you with the Fibonacci also. Okay, so let me, okay, see, you can draw it on any asset. All you just need to focus on the highest level or the lowest level, or like if I'll consider the highest level this one and the lowest level this one. So see, this is how we can use the Fibonacci. So this is the base level, this is the top resistance. If I'll check, see, this is the support, this is the resistance. So opposite to resistance, so there is going to be support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4, support 5, because this is the main support level. Then we will talk about this one, support level, resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, resistance 4 and resistance 5. So whenever there is going to be any crossover with these lines, so that can help you to predict that what can be the next candle formation. But if you are using Fibonacci, at least use it for 5 minutes. At least use it for 5 minutes, and then you can apply it on any strategy, on any asset, anything. Even though there is a Fibonacci fan also, if you want to learn about that how we can use that one, just remind me in the next session. I will talk about that one, because now we do not have so much time. So that is just basically a technique to understand that how many support or resistance levels are there, and whenever they are getting crossover, then we can open a position with the help of the price action. Okay, so I am just waiting for a nice signal where I can open a position, get the data as per your timings. So you do not need to make any changes or anything like that one. Okay, so sir, I'm not sure, Devendra ji, but in the next session, of course, I will try to cover that one. But in the meantime, if you want to learn about, you can explore in Investopedia. Just go to the Investopedia and look forward for Fibonacci. I'm sure you will be getting a lot of information there. And that is a site where you can learn price action also. So Sandeep ji, if anything was still missing, you can use that one. Okay, so let's look forward for some signal. I am not able to find any signal. Okay, let me see if anything is there. Okay, so there was a reversal, but there was a consolidation happened into the market. The length of these DPO bars, that these were very small, so of course we will not be taking trade on such conditions. We will be trying to find some better position. Okay, let's look for something more, or otherwise I will take a couple of trades after the session just to recover everything in case we have lost anything. There is a okay, so this is a dicey situation. See guys, as I mentioned that sometime there is unpredictable volatility which is there in the market during sometime during the US opening, and you can see the same. Okay, let's look for more. Let's try to find something. Okay, so again there are no such signals and session is about to finish, so no worries guys. So far, if you have any doubt, make sure you mention in the comment section. I am still available for next 2 to 3 minutes, so I will be taking your doubts throughout the session. I have talked about 2 websites. The first one is investing.com to check the news update, because tomorrow or on Friday we are also expecting some data to be floated into the market, and the website name was investing.com, so make sure you explore that website. Second one, Investopedia, if you want to learn about anything like price action or what we call chart patterns, candle patterns, anything, you can explore Investopedia. You will be able to get a lot of information. And if you are new to the channel guys, please make sure before closing the session, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live next time, so you will be able to connect with us. The name of the channel is Olymptrade Practice. We are conducting live sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Thai, Portuguese, Arabic, so many languages are there. So just make sure you explore the channel and join these sessions as per your suitability, like whichever language is comfortable for you. Okay, so I am just keep on shuffling my cards. I am just keep on looking for a signal, but so far there is too much volatility, so nothing to worry about that one. We will not take any random trade, even though we are going to use our RFT, so we will not be facing negative result. But still, rather than taking a random trade, we will also respect the RFT and we will use it wisely. Okay, so I can see that there are no such questions, no comments, so I think everything went well. Guys, if you want to share your feedback that how this session was, how this information was, you can give your comments. 0 to 5 star. 0 is the worst one, 5 is the best one. I know that there was some technical issue which lead to some interruption. I'm so sorry for that, but we will take care of that thing, that it will not happen in the future. But as you know that the technical things, they can arise any time, so I'm so sorry again for the same. And let's see, for last 1 minute we will try to. Okay, so there is a signal. I have opened a trade. I just opened the trade with the help of this length of this bar. Let's see if the trade go positive or negative. So far guys, I can see that there are no such comments, so I believe there everything is clear. So thank you so much for joining, thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. And guys, make sure before using this strategy on live, make sure you use it on demo to learn whether it is working for you or not. And in case if you will be having any doubt, feel free to join us in the next coming session. Tomorrow we are going to conduct in Hindi and again on Friday in English. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of it, and join us again. Thank you so much again guys, thank you so much. This is your host, your analyst Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, cheers.